Next problem, let's try it. All right, first we have to decompose it. We got to break it into shapes, separate shapes. If I slice it right along here, that gives me a triangle and a rectangle. So write their names. Now I find the formulas that relate to that. So rectangle, I like to use the parallelogram formula of b times h, and triangle, 1/2 base times height. Remember, bases and heights meet at right angles. So let's take care of the rectangle first. Once we get the name and the formula, now we're ready for the dimensions that we have to plug in. We need the base and the height of that rectangle. So a rectangle is right around here. I see that this and this meet at right angle. That's the length and my width, or my base and my height. So we have 10 times 7. Now, it doesn't matter what order we put it in. We just know that those are the dimensions, so that's going to give us 70 square feet. Now, onto that triangle. This is where it gets a little tricky. I'm going to just change colors so I can be a little more clear. I'm going to go with this triangle here. Now, we see that right angle. Bingo. So we know our base and our height are going to meet at that right angle. So that means we're talking about this right here and this right here. So the 5 is pretty easy to see, right? So 1/2. 5 is one of those dimensions that meets at a right angle. Depending on the way you hold it, that's right now it looks like my height, so I'll put it in there. What's the base though? What is that other line that meets together to form that right angle? All right, well, it's not 14 because all the way here is 14. So the whole way across the bottom of the shape is 14. Well, to get a horizontal length, we look at other lengths that go in that same direction. We see up top here is 7. If we transfer that down, then that means this distance here is 7. Well, all the way across is 14. To this far across is 7. So what's this distance got to be so that they combine to equal 14 total? Well, hopefully you said 7 there. So the base of that triangle is 7. All right, now we got to calculate. We have 35. Half of 35 is going to be 17.5. So now we're going to combine those two areas, and we get 87.5. We don't have to round this time, but we do want to put square feet to be precise. There we have it.